removing the stove and just putting a little fridge here. Alright. Got to be very careful when you're dealing with gas. You want to talk to a qualified plumber. Doing all these little repairs are pretty interesting. I mean, we learn a lot over time when we work with professionals, but sometimes it's good to pay attention and like learn these little things. You save yourself a lot of money over time. So we just finished up with the gas line. We put a cap on the gas line and got rid of the stove. Tenant upstairs, same house, says something's wrong with the toilet bowl and the water line that keeps running. So we're gonna go and take a look at that. Hopefully that's the last thing that we gotta take care of this house, and then we're gonna move on to the next house and move some things and get it ready for the rental coming up on the 1st in a few days. So we figured out what the problem was with the toilet. What was wrong was that the ball that controls the water was getting stuck with the cap that stops and let the water flows. So what we had to do was modify the chain so the water's not running continuously. That was the issue. Simple fix. All right, so clean flush. There you have it, so it's fixed. You're closing this up. Done, on to the next.